madaling sabihin, mahal kong Panginoon, kinikilala ko siya.
Yeah.
We all say that. Pero yung tunay na pagmamahal, paano ba sisimulan yan? Paano mo mararamdaman yung ganong pagmamahal?
Hindi mo kayang mahalin ang isang tao na hindi mo kilala. You cannot love someone you don't know. So know Him deeply. Hindi po siya religion, it's a relationship. Kasi minsan, you're into the religious mode, religion. Mga Pharisees nga, maka-Diyos, kaharap na yung Messiah, pinapako pa sa krus. So, hindi po basta religion, it's a relationship. Kaya sabi sa Matthew 22, love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind. So, spend time with Him daily. Sabihin, yung kanina mga binigay kong practical advice, di ba? Mag-pray ka, mag-read ka ng Bible. Simulan mo sa maliliit.
Ako sinimulan ko po yan, pagising ko, worship songs.
Exactly. Yung ganun lang. Yung mga lyrics ng song patungkol sa Diyos, hindi mo alam, nag-worship ka na rin pala. And you have to understand, di pa, yung mga nakikinig, love grows with time. Hindi siya yung, hindi ko na-experience si Lord ngayon, ayoko na. Parang naliligaw ka, di ba? Naliligaw ka sa girlfriend mo na ngayon. It takes time. Hindi naman first day, sinagot ka na, di ba? Tsatsagain mo yan hanggang mapa-oo mo. So, you don't have to force yourself to love God. Sabi sa Bible, we love because He first loved us. Kaya ka matututo magmahal sa Diyos, unawain mo na mahal ka ng Diyos. He sent His Son to die for you. Si Jesus Christ came just so you know kung gaano kita kamahal. The Bible says, God shows His love for us in this. While we were still sinners, Jesus chose to die for you.